mother I had is dead to me now.